Hello YouTube, how you doing today? Today I'd like to talk about Fel-Pro's Perma-Dry Plus one-piece blue gaskets. Let's talk about what comes with the gasket. This is what comes with the gasket. You have 4 of these snap-ups, you have a complete set of bolts, and you have the one-piece gasket to go on the block. The bolts are required because the gasket's actually thicker than what you would normally put in there. So they give you a set of bolts. So let's put this in. There's no instructions that came with a gasket, but from what I understand by looking at YouTube, the gasket's supposed to go on dry, and you want to make sure the surface is clean. They want to wipe it down with mineral spirits. And then I'm going to put a little dab in the corners like we've done traditionally. Just a little dab in the corner. These are actually really good if you're putting it in on the car. But these help guide the gasket down. Although I'm going to have a problem there. I already have the dipstick in here, so I have to feed this thing down around the dipstick. And then we'll use these snap-ups to guide the gasket down. And squeeze it into that RTV. Now I'm going to put another little dab of RTV in the corners. And put the pan on. And again, I'll use these snap-ups as a guide. That's great. Okay, there we go. There's slots in the end of the snap-ups to use screwdriver on. Now this gasket at the front is really thick, so you're going to have to work it down there. Got a little squeeze out here. I would start with the 4 corner bolts, because this gasket is quite thick here in the front, and that's the only way you're going to get it pulled down. They want you to go in 3 steps. So I'm going to take the first one is putting them in finger tight. And now that we have all the bolts started and down snug, we'll take it to 12 foot-pounds. And we'll start in the center and work our way out. Do the 4 corners again. And one more time around. And one more time around just to be good, but I won't show that to you. So what we have is the oil pan bolted to the block with a Perma-Dry Fel-Pro gasket. We have to add one thing to this though. There we go. There'll be more.